Hello, this is Flights in Asia, and we have an update on the dispute between Airbus and Qatar Airways, a high-profile public dispute between two of the prominent companies in aviation. Recently, both companies announced there has been a settlement reached that will be ending their ongoing legal dispute. Recently, on February 1, both Airbus and Qatar Airways issued statements announcing the end of their legal proceedings, which stems from complaints by Qatar Airways over surface paint degradation on their Airbus A350 aircraft. In their own separate statements, both companies stated, quote, Qatar Airways and Airbus are pleased to have reached an amicable and mutually agreeable settlement in relation to their legal dispute over A350 surface degradation and the grounding of A350 aircraft. Both companies further added, quote, a repair project is now underway and both parties look forward to getting these aircraft safely back in the air. Neither company stated any terms that were part of the agreement, though Airbus did add a line into their own statement saying, quote, the settlement agreement is not an admission of liability from either party. This agreement will end the ongoing legal dispute, which now made its way to the UK High Court, where further hearings were originally scheduled to take place this summer. It concludes a long-standing and bitter dispute between Airbus, the European aircraft manufacturer, and Qatar Airways, who first raised the issue of surface paint degradation on its A350 aircraft. During its initial reports in the summer of 2021, Qatar Airways' more than 20 aircraft were affected by the surface paint degradation issues and as a result were grounded by the Qatari aviation regulators. This led to Qatar Airways further raising more statements against Airbus, and in return Airbus issued their own responses. Things would further heat up at the start of 2022 as Airbus and Qatar Airways would enter into legal proceedings with claims worth around $2 billion, and Airbus would eventually cancel an order for 50 Airbus A320neos originally scheduled to be delivered for Qatar Airways. This settlement is now a resolution, putting an end to a high-profile and bitter dispute between the European aircraft manufacturer and the Qatari national airline. Both companies are now aiming to repair their relationship, and now there will be no further legal proceedings that will take place related to the issue. From some reports, Airbus will be restoring some of the aircraft orders intended for Qatar Airways that have yet to be delivered, which includes 23 A350s and the 50 cancelled A321neos. Now, Qatar Airways will now have the issues of the surface paint degradation properly addressed, which reports now state that the number of affected aircraft is up to 30, while Airbus will not need to find any new customers to take in the A350s that were intended for Qatar Airways. That's all for now. I definitely hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. This has been Flights in Asia, highlighting the news and updates from the aviation and travel scene in the Asia Pacific. For more of the latest updates, you can check out the website at www.flightsinasia.com. Once again, thank you for watching and have a great day.